Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. This box comes to us from Ukraine. It has sound control stuff to help improve the sound quality here at the shop. It's very loud in here. We got some stuff on the walls. We've ordered other stuff that hasn't got here yet. Hopefully these guys will make a difference in sound quality in the shop. So let's open up this box. Take a look what's inside. It's very well wrapped with lots of plastic. Try to get these out here without making a huge styrofoam mess. Okay, let's open up the first one. These are much bigger than I thought they would be, which is good. This is one of those times I am not disappointed in the size of the unit received. First one, it's got a red plastic face on it. There's the back side. It's just a big foam, I don't know what to call it. Big piece of foam, thick foam. Peel the plastic off. Due to shipping all the way from Ukraine to Indiana, it's got a little nick here in the corner. I'm not worried about that. I have a total of 5, all with varying colors. We'll get these guys on packaged and we'll place them around the shop. Okay, this one here is black. Not sure of the material, like a thin cardboard, paperboard. It too is a little damaged, but you know, it's not the end of the world. There's our third one. That's kind of a brown or tan color. So I think these are going to look really nice spread around the shop. We got to do something about the sound in here. They have names for these colors. I forget the names, but okay, here we have a white one. Same groovy design. I think one of these is called coffee. I'm not sure. They all have names. I just went on the website and clicked 5 different kinds. So there's that. It does come with some hardware, mounting hardware, and maybe some directions. I might actually read the directions. Okay, I got the directions. They're made for corners, but you don't have to put them in corners. They also make ones that are made to be flat mounted. They're more square, but these are for corners. I may not put all of them in corners. I'm not sure exactly how we want to put these, but I'm very happy with them. A couple of the corners are nicked. That's due from shipping. I'm not going to complain about that, especially with all what's going on in the world. These traveled very far, and I'm very happy that they arrived safely in a timely manner. So we've got this one installed up in the corner in the kitchen here, next to a kind of a winter snowy blanket. And we'll change the winter snowy blanket out with seasons. These guys look very nice. Very easy to install. They fit real nice in the corners. With a little creative engineering, I have these mounted from the ceiling to the wall. And we're going to put something in the middle between these two. Not exactly sure what, but we will have something. We'll just keep making it more better. We'll get more artwork and more sound control devices installed this winter. Hopefully we'll get some more stuff up on the walls and the ceiling. And this sound in this room will improve. The stuff we have now is helping, but we do need more. We'll just keep making it more better. So, all right, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.